There's always a lot of hard work that goes into succeeding, but it's not just hard work that makes that. It's also circumstance, accident of birth, being in the right place at the right time, making just that right decision, a certain amount of luck. And when you think in those terms, that it is a certain amount of luck, then it almost becomes an obligation on your part to help those who maybe didn't have those breaks that you had. I was speaking to a group at a country club, and one of the women came up to me and said, "But why are you talking about serving poor people? There's no poor people around here." And I took her over to the window, and I pointed out the people who were pruning the bushes in the back of the country club there, and I said, those are the kind of people who are not making the amount of money that it takes to live in this area.
There's people suffering, people who are unemployed, people who are starving. We serve the low-income families, singles, homeless, and the elderly. They come here for food, so it makes them save a little money that they can use to pay their PG&E, to pay for their rent, or to buy a prescription that they may not have health insurance to cover.
CSA is right in our backyard in Mountain View, and Intuit really wants us giving back to a community where we're able to prosper and work. The backpack event is one of our signature events, and CSA is one of our key partners.
This is the third year that Intuit has donated the backpacks, school supplies, and shoe vouchers.
We had Intuit employees, senior employees, over here helping to distribute backpacks for back-to-school supplies.
Since Intuit took over this program, it has been nothing but fun for the kids while they're waiting in line. They may be waiting 10-15 minutes. There's clowns, there's mimes, there's music, and the kids' faces just light up. They've also come forward with doing a huge renovation in our lobby, and the carpets were put in, and then they painted the walls, and they also donated the computer lab, which is 4 computers for our clients to have access to look for employment, to look for housing, to apply for public benefits online, to work on their resume, to look for childcare, whatever it is that they need to make their current situation better.
You know, we take for granted so many of the things that we're able to buy ourselves. You know, they're going back to school. It's just such a little thing, but it makes a big difference. And for Intuit to support that and give back to the Mountain View community is a pretty incredible benefit, and was very rewarding.
We have to be advocates. We have to be able to say, this does exist here. Pay attention to it. Pay it forward.